In this video, I'm going to show you how to import brushes into Adobe Fresco. Now to do this, there's actually two ways. The first one is by going to the top left and clicking on Pixel Brushes. And then from here, you want to click on Add Brushes at the bottom. When you do this, there's two ways. The first one is by discovering new brushes. And if you click on this, you can then go ahead and see basically different brushes over here, which are inside this library. And if you want to add some of them, you can just click on this Add button over here, and they're going to get added into your program. And then you can click on done, and after a few seconds or a few minutes you're gonna have these inside your brushes. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. Now the second one is to click on add brushes and click on import from files. Now you must then have a file on your computer, which is something like an .abr file or something similar, and then whenever you click on this, you have the, of course, brush file. You want to click on open over here, and there we go. It's going to start importing your brushes, and it's going to, of course, import them in here, and you'll be able to find them down here at the bottom. Okay, so this one was named tutorial test brush, and here I have these brushes. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.